Hi guys, here is Navy Force unboxing time again. Yes, today what kind of model we will showing you? Let's go. Here is the puzzle we usually get from the online store when you receive it. Yes, it will like this kind of puzzle package. Yeah. Now open it. It is the first one we can see is a stainless steel band adjustment, and then is our main box. Here is a outside box, and here is the inside box. A very nice case for the men's watch. And we also can see there is the NAVIFORCE logo on it. Yeah. Now let's open it. The first one we can see is cleaning clothes. We can open it and try it. It's used for clean the watches. Yes, very soft, and you can open and find it's large. Yes. And the next one is a guarantee card. Yeah, it's also a 1-year guarantee card. And the next one is the instruction manuals for this model. It's a little small book, and you have to pay your attention, pay more patience, and to read it and know how to use this manual and use it to adjust your watch. And then is the silicone desiccant for driving the object. And now is our main object, the watches. And also this watch, it have a very nice protection for the watches. Now let's have a look around about these watches. A very nice watch blend. It looks really good quality. You can see this sign. Yes, very nice. And also we can see it also have a protection about this band buckle. Here. Let's open it. Just put here. And we can find this is a double fold watch buckle. Very nice. The stainless, the metal. Yes. And move. And very smooth. Wow. So nice the color. Let me try it. Oh, it's a little long for me because my wrist is small. But it's really fantastic. The color. Not only for men, I think for girl or for women, it's We also can wear this kind of watch. Wow, I found it a very interesting function. And this outer case, you can turn around and I feel it's very to release yourself and release the press. Yes. And when we put it on the hand and you can put it like this. It's interesting, and the sounds is very soft and release your press. Yes, nice. I like this. Okay, and also the color, it's very fashion, and this is gold color, and we can see the scale. It has the luminous. Yes. And also this case, it has the 24-hour display, and here is the week display, and here in the 6 o'clock position we can see it is the date displays, and here this button, this up button, we see it can adjust the week. You push it, and Friday, push again, and Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, and this one is for adjust this window. This button for adjust this window. 27, 28, 29 for adjusting the date. Yeah. And we can find here in the back case, and you can see here is the for the model number here, NF9147M. Yes, you can find the model number here and the logo here. Oh yes, I forgot to say this one. Now the watch pointer, the second hand, is not worth because I just forget to put out this pink. Yes, this pink to stop the battery to work. When you put out this pink and make the crown in, yeah, you see the second hand is working now. Yeah. Yeah, that's all. If you think this band is too long for you, we can use this watch band adjustment to adjust the band. Later, you can find how to adjust this kind of stainless steel band. You can find my other video. We have a unique video to instruct and teach you how to adjust this kind of stainless steel watch band. Okay, this is all for today. If you have any other model to want to see the unboxing video or want to know how to adjust different kinds of the multifunction watches, you can write to me and let me know, and I will show you the video next time. Okay, see you. Bye.